What's up, YouTube? We back with another video, man. Today we're gonna be transforming the F30, as y'all can see by the title. I hope y'all like this video. It's gonna be real quick, simple. I'm not gonna do a whole tutorial like I did for other stuff, just because I feel like it's not as cool, and I want to do more type of like vlog and just cinematic type style content. Not really cinematic, but I don't want to turn my channel into a tutorial channel. I just want to show y'all the progress of my car and the build and everything. And we just doing some simple stuff, fixing the bumper holes, because I took my front license plate off. If you didn't see that, it's probably because you don't follow my TikTok or my Instagram, so go follow those. The links to those is going to be down below in the bio. Also, you don't got the notifications on for YouTube, because every time I post, even if it's a shorts, you get a notification like, hey, Ghost World just uploaded a video. So make sure y'all turn those notifications on, click that bell, so you get it notified every time I post a shorts or a long format video. But let's get into it.
They getting mad, I'm not finna stop. I had to carry the word, I see, I don't have to carry a Glock. I'm stiff in the pop, making a point, connecting the dots. We blow on the spot. I had to check my circle, check some folk, cause Jesus, he still had a op. I went and cut off the block, I went cut off some friends, I went cut off the op. Block ain't lead the blind, so why would I listen to y'all? Follow my purpose, I'm back on the clock. See how I'm shooting my shot, feeling like John. I'm building my house on the rock. They getting mad, I'm not finna stop. I had to carry the word, I see, I don't have to carry a Glock. I'm stiff in the pop, making a point, connecting the dots. We blow on the spot. I had to check my circle, check some folk, cause Jesus, he still had a op. Why would I stress by the line? God, you been giving me game. How can I chase the fame? Do it for you, I would do it in vain. Folk, they love religion. Why they be scared of a chain? Why they be scared of the bank? They should be seeking your name. When I be reading your word, I be seeing the reason the devil afraid. God, you know it's hard sometimes, but I be enduring the pain. God, we here for your kingdom, this ain't different, more than you think. We more like your children, they is not moving the same. They getting mad, I'm not finna stop. I had to carry the word, I see, I don't have to carry a Glock. I'm stiff in the pop, making a point, connecting the dots. We blow on the spot. I had to check my circle, check some folk, cause Jesus, he still had a op.
Alright, so here it is. As you can see, we're at the car wash. I just washed it. I had to wash the car because it was kind of standing out from the rest of the car, just because that part was clean and everything else about the car was dirty. But as you can see, you can't really tell from a distance, but once you get close up on it, you can see it does need some clear coat on these super white spots. So this side is much better than this side, I'll say. But yeah, I'm happy with it. But by no means is this a show car. I literally just got it. It's a daily driver. The bumper is gonna get rock chips and everything anyways, so it doesn't need to be 100%. It's good enough from a distance. You'll never be able to tell that there used to be a license plate right there. And if you're seeing it and pointing it out, why are you that close up on my car? Because it's not a show car, so there's no reason to be looking at the bumper. It's good enough to take pictures, post on Instagram, and yeah, I'll probably redo it in the future. Especially, I'm considering wrapping this car, so I'll probably redo it. Probably do a larger section. That way, it could just turn out way better than trying to do small parts. But
yeah.
You make this.
I know that they mad that she might be bad, but I cannot step out of covenant. Wow. You just want a bag that I already had. I'm loving it. I be rapping by God, it's not a facade. I'm here for the smoke, it will come with it. We make it look cool, like cooler than cool, man. Bring back the beat, I ain't done with it. Yeah, you should tap in with the mob. Why? We be tapping in with God. Yeah, I just do it cause I love him. Never treat it like a job. Go. I be tripping sometime, I cannot lie, I be out of my mind. Out of my head, out of my noggin. Sending praises, I'm alive. From the trap to the church and the church to the trap, putting God everywhere on the map. We been eating too much, need to go take a nap. Then wake up, hit the gym cause the boy getting fat. The boy getting fed, here or not. Heard you working on your traps. I ain't even trying to front you. Big ol' Bible in the back. All they do it, I don't need no music. Hit that Bible talking crazy, but I know I can't be stupid. Devil show got a plan, but I be talking to the man upstairs. That's me, God. I be talking to the man up.
Okay, little side note, little distraction. I got this. This was like $20 shipped from eBay, and it's real carbon fiber. I didn't really look at the description. The mirror caps is real carbon fiber too, but y'all see that? Real carbon. Now the mirror caps don't look like this on the other side. It's plastic, but it don't matter. It's still real. All right, back to the mic.
My knees say a prayer. Do you hear what I'm saying? There. He opened up all of the doors. I know he ain't playing. There. Holy soldiers, it's a movement. They keep telling me to prove it. Just look at my life. We bringing the light. This how we do it. I was serving them fiends. Now I'm serving the king. Look at the change. We the new church had to switch up the game. Went down in that water, can't come back the same. Yeah. No, it ain't no pressure. Yeah. No, it ain't no pressure. Yeah. Hey, no, it ain't no pressure. Don't turn me up, fam. I said a big guy. No, it ain't no pressure. Let's go.
Alright, that's the video. I'm in a rush trying to go get my mom. I got carried away with shooting B-roll. But let me know how y'all like this content. I'll probably still do tutorials or whatever when I'm actually doing like mods or something to the car. If y'all want to see that, let me know what y'all like better, what I did before, or just doing the B-roll and stuff like this. But yeah, go follow my TikTok, Instagram, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.